We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Morgan County Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a red 2018 Toyota Corolla with Georgia license tag TCW 5169. On October 1st, Kamora Usher, a 6-month-old black female, was abducted by DeMarc Glass, a 19-year-old black male, 5'11 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds, and was last seen on Fayetteville Road and North Druid Hills Road, Atlanta Northwest. Kamora Usher is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Kamora Usher or the red 2018 Toyota Corolla with Georgia license tag TCW 5169, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIP and or the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.
Reading sessions with Heritage Grove residents had a tremendous